Hello friends, welcome back to Learnomate Technologies. My name is 𝐬𝐥𝐥-𝐮𝐩. I want to share a very good news for everyone that we are starting a free SQL and Linux course which is completely real-time practical based training. The good thing about this training is it is completely free of cost and it is a live training. We got the request from many people who are coming from the financial weak background, and they are saying that, sir, do we have any classes which is free of cost because we cannot afford the price? And that's the reason Learnomate Technologies is coming with the completely free of cost training. Again, I am repeating it, it is completely free of cost. You don't need to spend a single rupees to learn this SQL and Linux training. It is completely free of cost. If you are coming from the non-technical background, if you are a person who is already working with the IT industry but you want to switch your career to the database technology, if you are coming from the background where you have a gap in your career, maybe you have a gap of 3 to 4 years, if you have completed the graduation is BA, BCom, BSc, BCA, MCA, if you are already working with the IT industry in different domain, like maybe you are working as a Linux administrator, maybe you are working as a BPO, maybe you are working with the application support, then all these people can join this completely real-time free SQL and Linux training. This free training is really helpful for the people who want to kickstart their journey into the IT industry. If you want to enroll to this completely free SQL and Linux training, then you can join our WhatsApp group, you can join our Telegram group. There is a Google form also available in the description of this video. You can fill up the Google form. If you have any question, queries, anything, please reach out to the number which is available in the description of this video. Please don't forget to join the group and fill up the Google form. This is very important to enroll to this completely free SQL and Linux training. This free training, we are just giving it to the first 500 people, not more than that. So make sure you fill up this detail as soon as you receive this video. One more important update that I want to tell you, that these sessions will not be recorded. It is completely live. We can connect with the help of Zoom meeting. So make sure that you take the advantages of this training because it is completely free of cost. If you want to know more about the free training program, please subscribe to our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies. You can also subscribe to our new Hindi YouTube channel with the name Engineer Ankush. Both the links is available in the description of this video. Thank you, bye bye, and enjoy this free SQL and Linux training.